Morning dear students, welcome you all. In this class, we will learn the use of punctuation and capital letters. So come on the chapter and try to understand about it. So first start with full stop. The full stop is used at the end of a sentence which is not a question or an exclamation. Which is not a question or an explanation. So here you are getting, we are using it is too cold with
assertive sentence.
Imperative sentence. We can use full stop. Understand? Afterward, abbreviation. With abbreviation, we use also full stop. So they are often omitted in modern British English, but in modern British English, we omit full stop. So see the example. BA or B full stop, A full stop, means we say it also dot. Next one, the question mark is used at the end of a direct question. So first example, do you know her? It is yes no type question. In yes no type question we use question mark, and where do you live? In WH word we also use question mark. Understand? Afterward, the exclamation mark is used at the end of an exclamation or an interjection. In exclamatory sentence and where there will be interjection, surprise, wonder, for sudden feeling of the hurt we use exclamation mark. So look at the example, how noisy those children are. We are using here exclamation mark. Understand? Now we will see the next uses. The comma. The comma is used to separate words in a list. Look at here. I have a pen, a pencil and a rubber. But before and we don't use a comma. Before and we omit comma. Understand? Afterward, to separate a speaker's exact words, direct speech, especially in direct speech we use comma to separate exact words of a speaker. See here, she said what are you doing? So here you are getting the exact word. For separating exact word we are using comma. To separate words of direct address, when we address directly on that time we use comma. Words used in addressing people especially. Arjun, come here. We are addressing here, so we use comma. In afterward we use also the comma is used we also use in several other contexts where a short stop is needed. In other context, in other places, it is raining is not it. Question tag, especially in question tag where short pause is needed, we use comma. We started, yes, after yes we are also using it is in question tag. We started late, comma, yet we arrived on time. Where we did short pause, we will use comma. Come on here. Quotation marks are inverted commas. We can use. He said, in double inverted comma you are getting, I have done my work. So we use double inverted comma when there will be indirect speech, when it is said by the speaker directly. Indirect speech, whatever is said by the speaker, for that we use double inverted comma. Understand? We also say quotation marks. The colon is used before a list and often introduced by phrases like as follows, in the following in sentences you will get etc. So in sentences you will get colon for introducing list or introducing list. So we are also using the phrases as follows in the following. The results are as follows: Asa first, Maya second and Uma third. We are using here comma and colon is used to introduce a list. The apostrophe is used in short forms to show where letters have been omitted. In short forms where letters have been omitted you can use. So here you are getting he will, short form for will. Understand, we are using apostrophe and double L. Understand? In the same way I am, I apostrophe am, apostrophe will be, you will get comma in this position below, in the line you will get, and apostrophe will be above. Understand? So I am, for am we are using am. In the possessive forms of nouns, in the possessive forms of noun we use apostrophe. The boy's bag, it shows possession, so the boy is singular, so here you are using apostrophe s. When boys will be plural, after yes we will use apostrophe. Boy's bag means that boys are, here we are talking about singular and here we are talking about plural. With children, the children, because you know that children is a plural word. So after children we will use apostrophe s. Children's bags means plural. Afterward we are coming capital letters. We use capital letters at the beginning of a sentence. In any sentence we will use in starting first letter will be capital. Afterward for the pronoun I will be always in capital letter to begin proper nouns. Whatever the proper nouns, suppose that Mohan, Delhi place, Usaf and you, Sahfaz. Understand? So any name first letter will be in capital. To begin the word God, the name of God, the first letter of God word will be in capital. So I hope that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.